Mastering English Idioms. You're on a roll, explained. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase, you're on a roll. This idiom can be a bit puzzling for English learners, so we're here to clear things up. Stay tuned as we explore its meaning, origin, and how to use it in everyday conversations. You're on a roll is an idiom used to describe someone experiencing a period of success or good luck. Imagine rolling a ball downhill. Once it starts, it keeps going smoothly and quickly. Similarly, when someone is on a roll, they are maintaining a consistent level of success or performance. It's often used to encourage or compliment someone. This phrase is believed to have originated from gambling, particularly games involving dice or rolling. When a player was having a streak of good luck, they were said to be on a roll. Over time, this expression expanded beyond gambling to describe success in general activities. 1. Encouragement. If a friend is doing well in a task, you might say, "Keep it up, you're on a roll," to encourage them to continue their good work. 2. Acknowledging success. In a work context, after a colleague completes several tasks successfully, you could comment, "You're really on a roll today," as a way of acknowledging their success. 3. In sports or games. This phrase is also common in sports or games. For example, if a player scores multiple times in a row, spectators might say, "Wow, she's really on a roll." Like many idioms, "you're on a roll" can be slightly altered while keeping its meaning. Some variations include, "He's on a winning streak." This emphasizes continuous success, especially in competitive situations. "She's on fire," often used in sports, indicating someone is performing exceptionally well. Understanding idioms like, "you're on a roll," is a great way to sound more natural in English conversations. This phrase is a fun and positive way to recognize someone's success or good fortune. We hope this explanation helps you feel more confident using it in your daily interactions. Happy learning, and remember, practice makes perfect. Soon, you'll be on a roll with your English skills.